Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, October 25. The enterprise team established to manage the island's waste-to-energy program has completed a pre-feasibility study. The study, which began in November 2016, sought to determine the amount and types of waste being produced and whether or not the waste can be used to make energy. Findings of the study will now be shared with various entities for consultations to begin. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the Littleton-Shirley-led enterprise team is also looking at public-private partnerships for contracting out solid waste management and collection. As he handed over 11 new trucks to the National Solid Waste Management Authority on Tuesday, Mr. Holness reiterated government's intent to reform the entity as a regulator and divest its role as a service provider. According to the Prime Minister, investments made in the procurement of a projected 128 garbage trucks will become part of the assets and value that will be divested.
Now, when that is fully developed, you will start to see a major difference in our environment. It will be a more efficient operation. You will have less garbage on your street, and as a taxpayer, maybe you will have less burden because it will be a far more efficient operation.
Cabinet has approved amendments to the Pharmacy Act. Part of the amendments will see nurse practitioners being allowed to prescribe, up to a certain point, medication to patients who have particular symptoms. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the amendments will add value to the administration of the public health system.
That amendment, by the way, also includes bringing into the process things like nutraceuticals, pharmacy technicians, and what their role is and so on. So it's a comprehensive review.
Dr. Tufton was addressing the Nurses Association of Jamaica's 71st Annual General Meeting and 47th Island Conference recently. The minister said government was also reviewing the public healthcare system to make it more attractive to workers. Among the initiatives being pursued are measures to cater to the welfare and well-being of nurses. This will include training, housing, security of tenure, and improvements in the working environment.
Job satisfaction and retention is not a function of the size of the salary that you earn. If it were, we wouldn't have any nurses in Jamaica.
The Tourism Enhancement Fund has spent to date approximately $190 million on developmental projects in Falmouth Trelawney. Projects include the renovation of the Falmouth Courthouse and the renowned Water Square Business District, as well as a vendors relocation and rebranding exercise.
Some people said that the vendors wouldn't move because that is how they have been all along. And we say, vendors, we are going to organize you because you're not vendors, you're entrepreneurs. And entrepreneurs have to be organized. You're businessmen and businesswomen, and you must look like businessmen and businesswomen, and you must operate in areas that is fitting to be a business place that people can come and feel comfortable to transact business.
The tourism minister says the Port of Falmouth is poised to become a model cruise shipping destination as a result of the work being undertaken. He was speaking at the recent Falmouth Heritage Expo and launch of the Heritage Map of Jamaica. According to the minister, in August, 48,910 cruise passengers visited the town. This represented a 5.4% increase from the corresponding period last year. Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas is among the list of vessels that frequent the Port of Falmouth and contribute to that increase. Come November 1, cashier services will no longer be offered at the Swallowfield Examination Depot. The Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, says the on-site payment facility is being terminated as the Island Traffic Authority rolls out its new electronic certification system. This system is geared towards eliminating the transcription errors that can arise from issuing handwritten certificates of fitness. Motorists are being asked to use the TAJ's online payment facility, which has been in place since September. To access the TAJ's Motor Vehicle Certification of Fitness Fees online payment portal, motorists should visit jamaicatax.gov.jm and follow the on-screen directions. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is lauding the Tankweld Group for its donation of 100 tons of Galvalume roof sheeting to the people of hurricane-ravaged Dominica. Valued at $200,000, the donation was routed through the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency. Tankwell's donation covers port, handling, and shipping costs. The roofing materials are expected to arrive in Dominica on November 7, after which they will be installed on 1,000 homes by military engineering units from Jamaica and other Caribbean countries. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.